These are the elevators at JCPenney Franklin Park Mall in Toledo, Ohio. It's in Montgomery. Let's go to. Door takes a while to close, but there's no door close button. All right, here we go. Here are two. Up on the one. Get a cab view. This thing is identical to the one at Southern Park Mall in Boardman. Let's get the other one. Watch that one go. Let's get the other one. And here's the other one. This is the cab that I filmed last time I was here. Here we go. Here are two. Another one. Button doesn't light up. They run pretty decent since the last time I was here. Watch both of them close since they're both here. And that's it.